Well, with this site here, we have it's really tight on the sides of the property. It's a really narrow lot, has an incredible view out the back of the Salt Lake Valley. And what we needed to do is create a retaining wall system. So what we've done there is we've brought up concrete retaining walls on the sides to really bring out the architectural lines of the home, but also make it functional for the walkways to access the backyard and side yards, and really make some interesting planting areas up the side of the house. What I'm sitting on here is a radial planting area. And what we've done here in this is we have all these straight lines in this landscape, and what we wanted to do is just pop in one of these radials just for an effect. It's kind of like putting a pop out on a home, and we just wanted to put in this to kind of get away a little bit from the straight lines and create a nice flow to the landscape. Okay, and over here we have a rock retaining wall. And when this was originally put in, this was just for retention of the neighbor's property. But what we're going to do here is we're really going to mix in some more of that flow that I talked about on some of our other planter radials, because we have all these straight lines up above. What we want to do is really make some pop-outs for planting area to really soften up this hardscape. Hardscaping includes any element that's set in stone, as far as whether it be concrete, whether it be stone, whether it be retaining walls, whatever it may be that is the hard part of the project. Whereas softscape is usually the looser material, such as the plant material. Hardscaping definitely plays a huge role in the style of the home. Where it would be like an alpine rustic look, we'd go with more of a stone look. More maybe like a dry stack wall or more boulder set walls. Whereas in more of a contemporary setting, we're going to go with more straight angular walls, concrete or block walls. And so yes, definitely the hardscape is an extension of the home in a lot of cases, and it brings some of that architecture out into the landscape. As you can see here in the front of the home is actually set down below the road level. And so what we've done here is we've actually put in these concrete hardscape walls again to really create planting pockets and to create a real sense of entry for the home. What we're going to do here is have a radial staircase that takes you down into the home, so it's more inviting from the street. It really draws your friends and family into the front entry of the home. It'll really have a built-in custom landscaped look with a lot of big trees and shrubs and lighting, and it'll just really pop it both in the daytime and at night.